This car, 71,990 for a brand new model Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE with a brilliant specification. I actually can't believe it's 71,990. We were selling these cars for over £110,000 only 8-9 months ago. The market has completely leveled out, and as always, we are passing that saving on to the next customer. There has been clients who have been wanting a car like this but didn't want to spend 110. So now is your time. At 71,990, this car's available for about 24 hours, and that is a fact because it just looks for nothing. It's got the best wheels on, the 23-inch upgraded wheels. It's in Fuji White. It's got the black styling package, which is black badging, black grills, all the inserts, and being a new model car that comes with so much spec as standard, like the 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, LED lights front and rear. The black styling pack continues on the bonnet vents, the side vents, the inserts on the front bumper, and this is a dynamic SE, so this bottom section here is all colour-coded. Air suspension. I have mentioned already that the car has got the best wheels. They are these, the 23-inch upgraded genuine Land Rover wheels, mud flaps front and rear. You've then got the contrasting black top here, so anything from this point up over is all gloss black, sun protection glass, comfort access with the electric deployable door handles. But then check the interior out. Now the first thing before you get in is, if we go down a little bit, this one does have the cabin mood lighting here, so you can change your colours. That's a feature you normally get in an autobiography. Because the new model Dynamic SE do come very, very well spec'd, it's little things like that. You think, you know what, I'd like that, so I'm going to spend £20,000 more and buy an autobiography. Yes, you do get ventilated seats and massaging seats, etc. But for me, as long as it's got leather, as long as it's got electric memory heated seats, boom. You've then got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, another extra fabulous feature to have on any car. You've then got that lovely dark chrome bezel on the centre dash, the centre tunnel, wireless charging pad, which is hidden just under the screen here. This huge touchscreen media, which also gives you DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the configurations and customizations that you can do, all done through that system. You've then got this beautiful material here on the door cards, more leather. The seat adjustments is on the door card as well, so when you're in the car, unlike a conventional vehicle, to adjust the seat, you watch, your hands are squeezing down there and you're sort of trying to get it right. Here, once the door is closed, you literally move it forwards and backwards, up and down, and your backrest to get the most comfortable position. And once you're in, you get lots of space. You've got the twin dash, top and bottom there. You've got cup holders down here, centre armrest, which is nice and big, but more cubby hole space underneath. The car does come with 2 keys. I just don't know what more you can ask for. Meridian sound system, automatic gearbox with paddle shift, and then you get other features. Adaptive cruise control, a feature that you used to get on an autobiography is now standard on the Dynamic SE. Heated steering wheel, standard as well. It just gives you everything. You can put it in access height, so it's nice and easy to get in and out of the car. In the back, you have lots of space. This car's done 18,000 miles on a 2023 23 registration in a beautiful condition. Stunning car, very well looked after. It's a very smart looking car. It's a very comfortable car, quiet car that also returns you decent miles per gallon for the size of the car. It's a 3-litre D300, stands for 300 brake horsepower. Round the back, you have the new standard LED lighting system, which is stretched nearly halfway down the side of the car. Black badging continues. You've then got the automatic tailgate, which can be used off the key or you press the button. And then you've got this massive boot. I always mention boot because boot to me is important. I can fill it very quickly with kids stuff, shopping, weekends away, whatever it might be. Underneath, you've got more cubby hole space. You have your lock and wheel nut just there, which is very important. You can lift it up and there's more space just behind there. Seats do go down electronically. You press the button just there, and you can drop the back end of the car to make loading and offloading a little bit easier. Press that, closes away. There is no scratches on the car, there is no dents. 23 plate car with 18,000 miles on, been very, very, very well looked after. And the way you can tell it's been looked after is just here, the driver's seat. So this section here and this section here, I say it over and over again, is where it takes all the impact, because the drivers, as they're getting in and out, they literally slide and slide out. There's hardly any creases. 18,000 miles are very well looked after, clearly motor miles, but someone's going to get an absolute bargain, and I mean it. At 71,990, if this car's for sale for more than 24 hours, I will be absolutely gobsmacked. And you've missed out, by the way. Yes, there is a couple of others available. I've done my research. They haven't got the sliding roof. They haven't got the 23-inch alloy wheels, and they certainly haven't got the mood lighting, the cabin lighting. So if you're going to buy one, and you're going to save yourself £500 or even pay £500 more just because it's local to you, why wouldn't you want the bigger wheels, sliding roof, the lighting system? Of course you would. And we priced the car absolutely perfectly. The car sounds nice and quiet because the new diesel engines are quiet now. You've got all the features here, it's all touchscreen like I said. This car also does have a ghost immobiliser. That isn't a selling tool, that's just a gift from us to you. If you don't want the ghost immobiliser, we'll take it off or we'll disable it before you get it, but I think it does help you a little bit with what's going on. But it's not part of the sale, it's not part of the car, we're going to give you it, but again, we can't warrant the ghost immobiliser as we didn't fit it. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, if you have any more questions, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.